We think of cities as concrete jungles dominated by humans and their creations. Look closer. You'll find a secret world teeming with wildlife. Animals share our urban spaces. They navigate bustling streets and towering buildings. These city slickers have learned to thrive alongside us. Their stories are full of resilience and adaptation. They remind us that nature persists even in the most unexpected places. Look closely, listen carefully. You'll discover a fascinating hidden world right outside your window. Urban wildlife refers to any wild animal that lives or spends time in cities or towns. These are not pets or domesticated animals. They are wild creatures who have adapted to human-dominated landscapes. Raccoons, with their bandit masks, rummage through our trash. Foxes, sleek and cunning, hunt rats under the cover of night. Pigeons, often dismissed as rats with wings, are actually intelligent birds with a complex social structure. Even coyotes, those haunting songsters of the West, have learned to navigate city streets. Raccoons are the ultimate urban survivors. These masked bandits are highly adaptable and intelligent. They thrive in cities around the world. Their dexterity is remarkable. Raccoons can open latches, jars, and even complicated locks. They have adapted to utilize human food sources. Garbage cans, compost piles, and even pet food left outdoors become their buffets. A raccoon's diet in the city is diverse, including fruits, vegetables, insects, and small animals. With their reddish-brown fur and bushy tails, foxes add a touch of wildness to urban landscapes. These fascinating creatures have adapted remarkably well to city life, blending into the urban environment with surprising ease. Their presence in cities is a testament to their incredible adaptability and resilience. Foxes are often seen as symbols of cunning and intelligence, and their ability to thrive in urban areas only reinforces this perception. They navigate the concrete jungle with the same grace and agility as they would in a forest, making them a unique and captivating sight in the city. They are often spotted darting across roads or lurking in parks. Foxes are nocturnal creatures, which means they are most active during the night. This nocturnal behavior helps them avoid human activity and traffic, making it easier for them to hunt and explore. The city at night offers a different kind of wilderness for these animals, with its own set of challenges and opportunities. Streetlights and the hum of urban life create a unique backdrop for their nightly adventures. They are most active at night, using their keen senses to hunt for food. Their sharp hearing and excellent night vision make them formidable hunters, even in the urban environment. They rely on their acute senses to detect the slightest movements and sounds, allowing them to locate prey with precision. The city provides a diverse array of food sources, from small mammals to discarded human food, which foxes have learned to exploit. Their ability to adapt their hunting techniques to the urban landscape is truly remarkable. Their diet in the city consists mainly of rodents, which helps control pest populations. Foxes play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance within urban areas by keeping the rodent population in check. This natural pest control is beneficial for the city as it reduces the need for chemical pest control methods. In addition to rodents, foxes also consume insects, birds, and even fruits, showcasing their omnivorous diet. Their presence in the city is a reminder of the interconnectedness of urban and natural ecosystems. They make their dens in abandoned buildings, under sheds, or even in dense vegetation within parks. These dens provide shelter and a safe place to raise their young. Foxes are resourceful when it comes to finding suitable den sites, often repurposing human structures for their needs. This ability to find and create homes in the urban environment is another testament to their adaptability. The dens are usually well hidden and difficult to spot, allowing foxes to remain undisturbed by human activity. These clever canines remind us that even in the heart of a city, the call of the wild can be heard. Their presence in urban areas is a beautiful juxtaposition of nature and human development. Foxes bring a touch of the wild to our concrete jungles, reminding us of the resilience and adaptability of wildlife. They are a living example of how nature can thrive alongside human civilization, and their stories are a testament to the enduring spirit of the wild. So, the next time you see a fox in the city, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey that brought it there. Often dismissed as rats with wings, pigeons are actually fascinating creatures. These birds are incredibly adaptable. They have learned to thrive in urban environments around the world. Their diet consists mainly of seeds and scraps. Pigeons have a remarkable ability to remember human faces. They can even recognize themselves in a mirror. While some may see them as a nuisance, pigeons play an important role in the urban ecosystem. They are a food source for larger predators, and their droppings can even act as a natural fertilizer. Once confined to rural areas, coyotes are now a common sight in many cities. These resilient creatures have adapted remarkably well to urban environments, finding ways to coexist with humans in bustling metropolises. Their presence in cities is a testament to their incredible adaptability and resourcefulness. These adaptable canines have expanded their range significantly in recent decades. As urban sprawl continues to encroach on their natural habitats, coyotes have learned to navigate the concrete jungle. They are often seen in suburban neighborhoods, city parks, and even downtown areas, blending into the urban landscape with surprising ease. They are attracted to urban areas by the abundance of food and shelter. Trash bins, pet food left outside, and small animals like rodents provide a steady food supply. Urban backyards and parks offer shelter and hunting grounds, making cities an ideal habitat for these opportunistic feeders. Coyotes are opportunistic feeders, consuming a variety of prey, including rodents, rabbits, and even small pets. Their diet is incredibly diverse, allowing them to thrive in various environments. They are skilled hunters, capable of catching prey in both natural and urban settings, and even fruits and vegetables. Urban gardens and compost bins provide additional food sources, making it easier for coyotes to sustain themselves. They've been known to forage for fruits, vegetables, and food scraps, demonstrating their ability to adapt their diet to what is available. They are highly intelligent animals with a complex social structure. Coyotes live in family groups, often consisting of a breeding pair and their offspring. They communicate and coordinate with each other to hunt and protect their territory. Their social behavior is intricate, involving a range of vocalizations and body language. Coyotes communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including howls, barks, and yips. These sounds serve multiple purposes, from marking territory to coordinating group activities. The haunting sound of a coyote howling at night is a reminder of their wild nature, even in the heart of the city. Barks and yips. Each vocalization has a specific meaning and function within the coyote community. Howls can signal the presence of a threat or the location of a family member, while barks and yips are often used during social interactions. These vocalizations help maintain the social structure and cohesion of the group. Their presence in cities reminds us that nature can adapt and thrive even in the most unexpected places. Coyotes have become a symbol of resilience and adaptability, showing us that wildlife can find ways to survive and even flourish in urban environments. Their ability to live alongside humans in cities is a remarkable example of nature's tenacity and ingenuity. Urban wildlife faces unique challenges. They must adapt to habitat loss, human disturbance, and limited food sources, but they have found ways to survive. Raccoons, with their nimble paws, have become experts at opening trash cans. Pigeons have learned to navigate the towering skyscrapers. Foxes, masters of stealth, hunt under the cover of night. These adaptations are a testament to the resilience of nature. Urban animals demonstrate remarkable behavioral plasticity. They adjust their activity patterns and foraging strategies to thrive in human-dominated landscapes. The presence of wildlife in our cities is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it brings a touch of nature into our concrete jungles, offering a glimpse of the wild amidst the urban sprawl. This can be a source of joy and wonder for city dwellers, especially for those who may not have the opportunity to experience nature regularly. Watching birds fluttering around, squirrels darting up trees, or even spotting a fox or deer can be a delightful surprise in an otherwise routine day. On the one hand, urban wildlife provides us with a connection to nature. It serves as a reminder that despite the skyscrapers and busy streets, we are still part of a larger, interconnected ecosystem. This connection can be particularly important for children, fostering a sense of curiosity and respect for the natural world. Moreover, urban wildlife can enhance the aesthetic value of our cities, making them more vibrant and livable. It reminds us that we are part of a larger ecosystem. This awareness can lead to a greater appreciation for conservation efforts and the importance of protecting natural habitats, even within urban environments. Additionally, the presence of wildlife can encourage outdoor activities such as bird watching or nature walks, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Studies have shown that interacting with nature, even in urban settings, can have positive effects on our mental and physical well-being. Spending time in green spaces can reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall quality of life. Activities like walking, jogging, or practicing yoga in parks can be more enjoyable and beneficial when surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature. However, urban wildlife can also pose challenges. While the presence of animals can be enchanting, it can also lead to conflicts and inconveniences. For instance, raccoons are notorious for raiding garbage cans, creating messes, and potentially spreading diseases. They can also cause damage to property by nesting in attics or chewing through wires. Raccoons can become nuisances by raiding garbage cans or nesting in attics. Their adaptability and intelligence make them particularly challenging to manage, often requiring homeowners to take preventive measures, such as securing trash bins and sealing entry points to their homes. Coyotes, if not properly managed, can pose a risk to pets and small children. These predators are becoming increasingly common in urban areas, and their presence can be alarming. It's crucial for communities to implement strategies to minimize conflicts, such as educating residents on how to coexist with coyotes and ensuring that pets are kept safe. It's important to remember that we share these spaces with wild animals. As urban areas continue to expand, the boundaries between human and wildlife habitats blur, leading to more frequent encounters. Understanding and respecting these animals' behaviors and needs is essential for peaceful coexistence. We must learn to coexist peacefully. This involves not only taking steps to prevent conflicts, but also fostering a culture of respect and appreciation for the wildlife that shares our cities. Community initiatives, educational programs, and responsible behavior can all contribute to a harmonious relationship between humans and urban wildlife. The next time you're walking down a city street, take a moment to look around. You might be surprised by the wildlife you encounter. Observe their behavior, appreciate their adaptability. Remember that these creatures are not just city dwellers, but wild animals. We must learn to coexist peacefully with our wild neighbors. By understanding their needs and respecting their boundaries, we can create a more harmonious urban environment for all. So, become an urban naturalist. Open your eyes, ears, and hearts to the wonders of urban wildlife.